So, how's it going, everybody? I've had a lot of questions about what do I tow with? How do I get my rig down the road? Well, I'm going to show you what I have for my setup. I use an Andersen gooseball connection, and that's what I have. As you can see here, this is what I have on my rig, and I like it. The main reason that I went with it was because it's removable. It doesn't weigh but about 75 pounds. It's easy to take in and out. It's one of the easiest things that I've used with to tow. I know there's a lot of criticism on the market about using a gooseball connection, but it's what I like. It's what's been easy for me. I need to use my truck bed a lot, so that's what I take in and out, and so that's what I use. You know, if it doesn't work for you, that's fine. It's what I like. It's what I use to go. I've taken it as far as probably 550 miles on a trip, and it's worked really well. I've had no issues. You do have to add this little piece right here to be able to connect the gooseball. It's onto your kingpin. It's not hard to do. I don't know if I can get the camera up under there. Maybe. There's, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. There's four little 10mm connections that you have to put on there, tighten up, and then once you do that, it connects this piece to your kingpin. I went ahead, these safety chains do not come with it. I added these so that we would be legal in all 50 states wherever we went for gooseneck connections. Some states require it, some states don't. I went ahead and made sure that we had it so that no matter where we went, we were there. Also, it's an extra safety precaution. For whatever reasons, if this ever came loose or ever came undone, we would be added, you know, it would be added protection to help keep the trailer on the rig, and until we got stopped, it would make sure that we didn't lose our trailer. Added protection. One thing that I did do when I added this secondary connection is I went ahead and ran my wire connection up, and I bolted this on to the side so that when you take my connection down here, when you add that, this is the connection that grapples the coupler to the ball. So I just went ahead and mounted that on the side of the kingpin. That way I wouldn't have it floating loose or anything. That's what they do recommend, that you just mount that up. And it's worked out really well having that there. So I was gonna do, not just see all the parts, I was gonna go ahead and show y'all how I install it in the truck. It's real easy to do, not hard at all. So get up in the truck real fast. Get all my parts up here. Sorry if it's a little jumpy. So take this cover off of my gooseneck connection. First thing I want to do, this is how I have to connect my safety chains, because once the Andersen connection is there, it blocks where I could put my safety chains. They do make a deal to connect safety chains there, but I can't do it because the gooseneck connection blocks it. So I have to add this little adapter. No big deal. Just put that there. Come over here. I got a B&W removable ball. It simply drops in. Sometimes you have to work it in there. Especially, I haven't had it all winter. We haven't really gone anywhere this winter. See if I can do this with one hand. Sometimes I have to do two. So, get this locked in. There we go. All right, now we got it locked in. And move this out of the way. All right. We're gonna bring our Andersen hitch over. So, there's a little cotter pin here that you have to pull out, and then pull this locking pin out to be able to set it on the goose ball connection. So you drop it in, just make sure it's evenly lined up, straight, and we're straight. So then you just put this pin back in, and let's see if I can set y'all down for just a second. Sometimes you have to lift it up just a little bit to get that pin back in. There it goes. It's back in. Just put your cotter pin back in. Now all that's left to do is just start tightening down your bolts. I get them hand tight first. Come over here and get my torque wrench. And it's set for 60 pounds. 60 pounds of torque, which is what they recommend. And this is a 15/16 socket. We're just going to tighten it down. Torque it down all the way until I start doing my sides. Get that one all tight. Okay, now I'll come back over here. Get the top torque to 60 pounds full of torque. Get the sides done, same. There you go. Sides done. We'll just do the top. I know we got the sides. Make sure it's good and torqued down. Yep, and it's good. And that's all there is to it. We'll get the truck back underneath it and get connected up, and I'll be back in a minute and show y'all how that looks. Alright, so this is what it looks like all connected up. You got the safety chains, that's how they go on the adapter. Yeah, and they're crossed up, so if something happens, come loose. We hope that never happens, but they're there if we need them. You got your brake controller coming out, and it goes up under there. You just put that on before you connect up. And that's what we've got going on. So, I mean, we're all connected up. I just did this for a test purpose, so I didn't connect any of brakes or anything like that. But we're for the lights and all that. But we're all connected up, and hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There'll be more to follow. All the links for all of the stuff you see here will be in the description below. So please give us a like and a subscription to the channel if you like what you see. Thanks.